In this video, we're going to answer Sandra's question. So her question is, she tries to add a subdomain, but it's still giving her error message saying that she's exceeded the limit. Do you know what else I do? It won't let me upload the legacy builder. So this is because she has the free senior order form. I'll show you why she's having that error and how she can fix it. There are two ways she can fix it, okay? And I'm going to show you how she can fix it. So when you're on the free plan, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your free plan, and you're going to see all the other plans that's available to you. So in the free plan, you can have 2,000 contacts, that's leads, for free. You can have 3 sales funnels, and you can have 15 funnel steps. Now let me explain. If you have one sales funnel that has 20 funnel steps, your system is going to ask you that you've gone over your plan. You have to have it, you have to maintain within this range. Now, what are the funnel steps? They're the extra layouts in a funnel, and I will show you what that means. Now, for the program, the legacy program and the digital growth mastery, we have a lot of layers within. And if you count all the pages and all the things there, it goes, unless you delete the previous funnel and campaign there, you're not going to have enough space. You'll go over this 15. Yeah, you're going to go over the 15 because the new system, the new products have a lot of layers. My own recommendation to you is that you can still use your domain. We don't have to buy a new domain, okay? But you have to upgrade. Make life easy for yourself. You're growing a business. Go for the annual plan. You can do monthly, or you can do, they give you discounts. Okay, they give you discounts. So when you see this, I tell you a trick. If you want to sign up, like go out of it, and then they will pop up some kind of offer for you that will be less than this. It might happen, it may not happen, but sometimes it does. You want to buy, and then you come off the page, and then offer would come up or pop up because they're trying to win you, right? So they will give you a discount to win you. So I would say just go for the upgrade. You're growing a business. Go for an upgrade. You can do monthly. If you made $600 a day or you made $900 a day, that's enough. It covers, because this is your business. So think big. I just went personally. I started off with the free one because someone was trying to tell me about Systeme. I was spending $150 on a CRM. And someone said, try Systeme. And, I was feeling like, oh, I don't want Systeme. This other package has this and that and that. You know how people are. But when I came into Systeme and I started using Systeme, I was like, oh my God, this is saving me lots and lots. So you can imagine, I pay $150, a month. Now, even if I took this for the whole year, this is the plan I have presently, because I went to this plan and I went to this plan. I just upgraded. I don't have up to 5. I don't even have up to 2,000 leads, but I want to have the freedom to have multiple steps, multiple, everything. I want to, put my courses, and I don't want anything to stop me. So I'm migrating everything from that CRM I'm currently using to Systeme. And because I'm migrating everything I had previously, my business, to Systeme, I'm going to go over this plan. And so I just went here because it's still saving me tons and tons. At $495 a year, it's saving me tons and tons. And if I made $900 a day, this is like little money, right? So think about your business. Think about the future of your business. Don't be thinking about now. And personally, I would say just upgrade. If you can, upgrade, okay? And you can go for the monthly and then upgrade to annual later, because the annual you get a discount. So that's the reason why you have that plan being limited. And let me just quickly show you what the pages are so that you understand. Okay, showing you what the steps are. So you can see here, I have the legacy builders, right? This is a step, 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 step. So all these are steps, right? And each of these has got its own step. So you have all these steps. And then when you go to your capture page, your capture page has 3 steps, which is the main page where people enter their email, a video page, and the thank you page. That's 3 steps in that one funnel. And then you have your campaign also. So a lot of steps. So by the time you count all the steps, if it's over 15, Systeme is going to say to you to upgrade. And personally, if you are running this business for real, you want to do it for real, I would say just go for the upgrade. Save yourself the stress. Save yourself thinking about it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the same domain name. You don't have to buy a domain unless you want to. But I'm going to show you how to use the same domain name to host things for digital growth program and the items for IPS. Okay. And then if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask, and I'll be happy to do a video reply for you.